What kind of engineering marvels can survive a war zone, fly through radar-invisible skies, or operate beneath the ocean in silence? What happens when cutting-edge science is built for the battlefield? Welcome to the impressive world of military engineering and defense technology, where innovation decides the balance of global power. Segment 1. Ground Forces on the Ground. Technology turns soldiers into systems. Modern tanks are no longer just heavy armor, they're mobile command units with thermal vision, laser rangefinders, and reactive armor that can explode outward to stop incoming projectiles. Unmanned ground vehicles scout ahead, defuse bombs, and enter dangerous zones without risking lives. Every inch of design is about protection, power, and precision in movement. Segment 2. Naval Power at Sea. Defense technology transforms ships into cities of warfare. Aircraft carriers act as mobile runways, carrying squadrons of jets and housing thousands of personnel. Submarines now use near-silent propulsion systems and advanced sonar to hide and detect across vast distances. The oceans are no longer just borders, they're launch pads for global reach. Segment 3. Air supremacy in the skies, speed, and stealth rule. Fighter jets like the F-35 are flying supercomputers capable of tracking multiple targets, jamming enemy systems, and disappearing from radar. Drones offer constant surveillance and precision strikes, all remotely controlled from thousands of miles away. Aerial dominance isn't just about altitude, it's about data, awareness, and reaction time measured in milliseconds. Segment 4. Cyber and space, but some of the most powerful weapons are invisible. In cyberspace, defense teams fight off silent attacks that target national infrastructure, military databases, and satellite communications. Meanwhile, in orbit, satellites gather intelligence, track movements, and even guide missiles. This is warfare without borders, where control of information is as critical as control of territory. Closing. Future Hook. The future of defense won't just be faster or stronger, it'll be smarter. From AI-assisted strategy to autonomous weapons, military engineering is evolving in real time. So the question is, how far will technology go in shaping the wars of tomorrow? Stay tuned as we go deeper into the world where innovation meets defense, because the next breakthrough might just change everything.